I've started a new piece here. It's a Seymour nightstand or a bedside table. I haven't worked the legs, the turned part of the legs. I've worked the upper half of the legs, but the turning is still yet to be done. But I want to just go through a trial assembly here, and it involves some different kind of joinery here. Here's a front left leg, and there's a stretcher here. Goes in there, and then I need the back leg. That's the front leg. Here's the back leg for this. I've got mahogany here, and also the secondary wood is yellow poplar. Well, I know that's hard to get in there, but it's gonna go. Yes. All right. Now I got that side. Let me work this part. So that stretcher is there, and there's a drawer in this piece, and there's also a tambour. I haven't started working on the tambour yet. Okay, so, oops, what have I done here? Yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay, now for some aprons. Here's the front apron. That goes in this mortise and tenon. And then the back apron. Okay, then there's a couple of rails here. Here's the bottom rail, and it's got a groove for the tambour. And then there's a rail here at the top, and that's got the groove for the tambour. Okay, now let's see if I can get this to go. That's in. There, that's going. Okay, That's about where it's going to go. Now, let me turn this around. So now you're looking at the front, and there are some sides here that slide in with this V joint, which this is the first time I've done a V joint like this. So this is 3/8 thick, and it goes into a matching V slot, kind of like a drawer runner in a way. And the other side, okay, and dry fit here. Now there's a bottom piece for the drawer to ride on, so that can go in here, hopefully like this. Yes. So the drawer will be in this. Here's the tambour area, and here's the drawer down here. Now, the tambour has to ride on some grooves, which I have not made yet. I've marked them out. Here's the bottom piece, the bottom tambour plate. That goes in there like that. And there's, I don't know if you can see it, but I've marked out the groove that needs to be worked yet. Then the top also has a groove for the tambour, and it goes in up here. Then the very top here, there's a piece of marble, rectangular piece of marble, that will be fitted into this location. There's a back piece that also has that V groove joint. So that's the top of the bedside table without the legs, the turned part of the legs. They're also fluted. So I want to get this section built here, get that tambour built, and get these grooves made. That tambour will go like that. And I've got an exit for the tambour. I've designed for an exit. I don't think the original had the possibility of removing the tambour to fix it. I wanted that capability, so I've got an area here in the back. There'll be a paneled back piece here, and the tambour will be able to be put in from back here and also taken out from the back. So I think I can begin work on the tambour and get those grooves made. I don't have to glue this up. yet. It can stay in pieces for a while, and I think that tambour is going to work. I've got some pilasters I have to make to go into this groove in this rail and the upper rail.